In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete bookmarks from Google Chrome. Let's get into it. So open up Google Chrome. To get to the bookmarks, we want to click on the triple dot. Then we want to go to the Bookmarks tab and then click on Bookmark Manager. The shortcut for this is Control-Shift-O. Now that we are in the Bookmarks tab, to delete a single bookmark, we want to go to the triple dot over here and then just click on Delete. And that bookmark is now deleted. To delete multiple bookmarks, what you want to do is hold Control on your keyboard and click on the bookmarks you want deleted, and then go to the delete button up here and left click it. And that will delete multiple bookmarks at once. And finally, to delete all bookmarks, since it takes a while to select individually, so you want to hold Shift on your keyboard, click the top bookmark and hold the down arrow on your keyboard. Make sure you go all the way to the bottom, release your fingers from the button and click the delete button up the top, and that will delete all your bookmarks. And the final way to delete the bookmarks is within the bookmark bar up the top here. You want to right click on the saved web page that you want to delete. And then after right clicking, you want to click on delete, and that will delete the bookmark from your bookmark bar. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if anything went wrong in the comments. That is it from me. Peace.